Hey, guys, it's AnnBlogger.com and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you my first income report for Amazon KDP. This is a short video for March 2022 documenting my very first KDP sales. I am quite excited sharing this with you, as I found out about KDP in February. After seeing a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of inspirational content, I started my own KDP journey. So I began uploading immediately my own low-content books, as I mentioned early on February. And I did see my first sale after a month. So, if you guys are interested in my KDP journey, let's dive straight in and let's go to my computer. So my first notebook was published on February 2nd, 2022, and I didn't see my first sale until March 15th. During this period, I had 11 books published, so not so many. My goal for this month is to publish 15 books, so still I need to create and publish for this month. But it really feels amazing to have some of my products sell, and I'm hoping to do even better in April. Concerning the books I created. All books I created are low or medium content books. I created them in Canva, covers as well as interior. I would like to let you know what is currently working for me. What kind of books have I published and sold? So the first thing that I ever sold was gratitude journals for adults. I created also a few lined notebooks, meal planners, kids journals, and gratitude journals for kids. This week I have just finished creating an adult coloring book. It is the most time-consuming and well-done book I have ever created. I really put a lot of effort into this coloring book, and I hope I will be able to sell it soon. Concerning the interior for the coloring book, I bought graphics in Creative Fabrica as I didn't have time to create everything on my own. I do really recommend this Creative Fabrica page. They have got really a great library of fonts, graphics, crafts, and illustrations for the KDP business. I will leave you the link below. They have a lot of free stuff as well. So summing up, this is my earnings for March 2022. I have sold 3 books. I have a full-time job and I create these products in my spare time. As my goal is to create 15 books per month. For April I plan to create more coloring books. And also I will be focusing on giftable products, planners, and journals. I hope this video was motivating. For me, the best motivation was my first sale. I love watching videos like this showing the real journey. I just want to show you what's possible and what's realistic for the average person. I will try to work hard this month to accomplish what I planned, and we will see how my KDP journey goes. If you haven't made any sales yet, just be patient and keep on working. If you'd like to follow my KDP journey, hit the subscribe button, and I'm very curious to see how the next month will go. That's all for today. I'm so excited to share my KDP journey with you guys. I hope that you will subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to comment down below what kind of videos would be helpful for you and what kind of videos would you need to see to have the confidence to get started on KDP today.